I made a bird bath with a natural limestone water feature, and here's how I started. After finding rocks with a natural bowl in the top, I power washed them clean. This is a mortar mixing tub for Home Depot for $8, and I built the wire frame in it that fits, and it's kind of loose so that will be the support for the concrete. I used 1.5 bags of Quick-Crete because it takes only a couple days to really reach good strength. And then I set my frame in it. And this little trick, you have to shake it down to the bottom and then bring it just barely back up so that it's in the middle of that concrete layer. Now, I didn't build an internal form, but the slump on this concrete's very low, so I was able to use it to form up the sides pretty well. You pat it down, but I left it kind of rough so that the birds can grab onto it. It's got a lot of grip. Then I installed natural rock at different heights through the concrete so the birds always have something to land on, no matter how high the water is. Here it is a couple days later, nice and hard, and everything looks really good. So I'll drag it out, pop it out of its form, and then flip it over onto the ground. This is a tricky process one-handed because this thing's like 150 pounds now. You could probably make this thing with a much thinner wall, but I guess I'm going for durability here. And now we start putting the rocks in. I had made a little indentation for this rock, and then I'll bring in the big rock, which I'm going to install the hose with the short solar water pump on it. Before I do that, I rinse it off several times, soak it with water to get any residue out of the concrete. I connect the tubing to the pump using some heat shrink, and then thread it through the rock. After that, we fill it up with water. Then we test the pump in the sun and watch it work. My favorite part about this particular rock that I picked is the water will pump into these small pools. So birds can land on this tiny rock and get water out of these pools of this natural limestone rock or anywhere in the whole pool. So it's a gratifying one-size-fits-all sort of bird bath. And as the water level lowers, the birds will still have places to perch and easy to grab onto. If you enjoyed this, thanks for watching, and please check out my channel for other videos and how-tos.